Winegard Trav'ler Pro LNB replacement. To replace the Trav'ler Pro LNB, you will need a 9/64 Allen wrench, a 7/16 wrench, and wire cutters. Begin by putting the IDU into service mode. Hold the power button to enter the IDU menu. Press the stow button 3 times to put the asterisk on service mode. Press the power button. Press the power button again to confirm. Allow the antenna to raise off the roof to its max elevation. On the roof, cut the zip ties on the underside of the feed arm assembly to have enough slack to remove the LNB. Remove the 2 9/64 Allen screws securing the LNB in place. Be careful not to lose the 9/64 nuts for the Allen screws. Slide the LNB out of the feed arm adapter. Disconnect the cables from the LNB using the 7/16 wrench. Connect the sheath cable to the replacement LNB. For DirecTV, only the red heat shrink cable connects to the LNB. The black cable will be folded down and secured to the feed arm. For Dish, connect the red heat shrink cable to port 1 and the black cable to port 2. Tighten until finger tight, then use a 7/16 wrench to tighten a 1/4 turn more. Slide the LNB into the feed arm adapter and reinstall the 9/64 Allen screws and nuts. Secure the cable to the feed arm using new zip ties. The IDU needs to be put back into normal mode to operate the antenna. Hold the power button to enter the IDU menu. With the asterisk on normal mode, press the power button. You have successfully installed the Trav'ler Pro replacement LNB. If you need assistance, please contact Winegard customer support.